Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Michael Mail with Entrepreneur Freedom, where I show you great ideas and great tools to grow your online business or to even start one. So in today's video, we're going to build an automation that is going to allow you to post pins automatically to Pinterest. Not only that, you're going to be able to put your affiliate link inside your automation so it can post and share your affiliate links. So if you're a person who's getting started doing affiliate marketing and want to use some really good tools to get your affiliate links out there, this is going to be a good automation for you. So what it does, it allows you to post great pins using images that you're going to get, as well as your affiliate links to your pins. Now, I like building it out this way because I've tried building it where it can automatically generate the images, but it doesn't quite generate the images the correct way. So I decided to do it this way because I think that if you have more control over your AI, and the content you're putting out, it becomes better content and people will actually look at it. So the things that you're going to need to build this out is you're going to need a Google Sheet, you're going to need OpenAI key code, API code. And again, you don't have to use ChatGPT. You can use Claude, you can use DC. You can build it the same way. You can just substitute the AI part with something else. You're going to need a Pinterest business account. If you don't have a Pinterest business account, you're not going to be able to do this. So if you have a regular Pinterest, convert it over to a business account because you can do a lot more with it, okay? So a person who experienced to take about maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and a person who's not experienced, maybe 20 to 25 minutes to build this out. And if you want to make it even faster, join the community and download the build, because even my prompt that I'm using inside this build, it's inside that blueprint. So when you download it, all you got to do is just connect it. So I will leave a link at the bottom of the video so you can join the community and make it a little easier. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is lay out your Google Sheet. Okay, so this is how I laid out my Google Sheet. I got an SEO keyword because my prompt that I created has a SEO part of it, and it will optimize my prompt to put some really good SEO words. Plus, I did some research on words, and I used those inside my prompt. So that way, when the AI is creating my content, is putting the keywords in there. I have my affiliate link column. I have my pin's title column. This will be the title of the pin. And this is the video. I'm sorry, not video. This is where I'm getting my images. So I get my images of the product and I put it in the column. Again, I like control everything, especially when it comes to images. AI does really good, but when it comes to the product itself, sometimes it just really doesn't cut it. You have to get the images, especially when you're doing affiliate marketing. Okay. And then the second column is status, and you have your pin column here, which is your pin ID. Okay. So actually, let's leave that the way it is for now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to build this out today, and what we're going to do is we're going to jump in and build it. So let's go and log into our account, and this can be used on Boostspace and Make.com. Okay, so basically click on here, go to integrations. And if you're new to this channel, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to hit create scenario. And then the first one we're going to start with is we're going to start with a Google Sheet. And what we want is to watch for new row. All right, let's slide it over here a little bit so you can see it. Okay, so if you've seen my videos before, you know how to add your Google Sheet. You just go in here and just connect it, and it doesn't take that long to do it. Okay, so let's find the Google Sheet. So you're going to go to Sheet ID and look for the sheet that you created prior to this build. And another thing, when you are building this out, I suggest that you put some rows in here because you're going to be testing this stuff out. Okay, so make sure that you add some rows. Okay, so all right, let's find the Google Sheet that I have. As you can see, I have a lot. I've done quite a bit of videos with Google Sheets. I like free tools, so Google's free. So then of it, there is other tools out there like Airtable and stuff like that, but what's the sense of having that? And you could just do this and use something free. Okay, so I'm choosing my sheet ID, which is this at the bottom. Okay, and then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put number 1. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, So we have all that, and then we're going to hit save. Once we hit save, it's going to open up this window here, and then I'm going to manually choose a row. Okay. And we're going to choose, let's choose this one. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to run it because we need data to link up to the next module. Okay, so we know that it's done that. It's grabbed it. We can see it right here. Okay, so the next module we need is going to be your OpenAI. Okay. Now they just did a little, it looks like they changed some stuffing a little bit. They did module series. So basically it's the same thing. Okay. So we're looking for create a prompt. Okay. Again, if you've seen my videos, it's very simple. Get your open API and then put your key code and the organization and you're good to go. Okay. All right. So choose your model. I'm going to choose the latest, the one I like. And then while that's waiting for that, okay, it's going to open up. It's very simple, easy build. It's, again, this is really, really good for people who wants to do affiliate marketing using Pinterest. Okay, so here we're going to change that tokens. I'm going to put 500. I think you can put as low as 150. It depends on, but I like to put 500 just to make sure everything's okay. So what you're going to do is hit message here, and then you're going to choose user. Okay, and then what you're going to do here, and this is where you're going to put your prompt. Okay, let me grab my prompt here. Okay, and if you have, again, if you've seen my videos before, I tell you that the commands that you do or don't want it to do, separate them, okay? Always separate them. Oops. Okay, so right here, we're going to do is we're going to actually, sorry, I need to take this out because I don't need this, my mistake. Oops. Okay. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to put our title here. Take that out, put the title. And what we're going to do is whatever the role title is. Mine, it says pin title. That's what I'm putting there. And then I'm putting me, again, you don't have to do this, but I'm doing this. I wanted to use my keyword. Okay, so I put my SEO keyword right there. I wanted to do that. I wanted to optimize my pin. Okay. All right, you don't need none of this. Okay, so all that's filled out. Okay, then hit save. Okay, we're going to test it again. Hit right click on the Google Sheet, open up the menu, choose a manually, sorry. Choose it manually. Okay, and we're going to choose this and we're going to hit save and we're going to run it. Once everything's completely done, it should be all green. Okay, so we can click on here to see the data. So we go down here to choose one message, and you can see that here's the content that it created. Perfect. Okay. All right. So the next module we need is our Pinterest one. Okay. Again, you need a Pinterest business account. So you have Pinterest here. We're going to choose create a pin. Let's slide it over here a little bit so you can see it better. Okay. And it looks like if you see this, that means you have to reconnect your pin. Reconnect your Pinterest account. So go over here, click on the ad, and hit save. And then it's going to automatically open another window up. I don't know why it does that. Instagram does the same thing. We have to reconnect it. Maybe it's a security feature, which is fine. You know, I don't have a problem with that. Okay. So your source type is going to be image. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to connect your image from your Google Sheet. Now, again, I am using links for video, images. So that's what I'm doing. So here I'm looking for image right here. And what I'm doing is pasting. If you're doing the same thing, I'm pasting my images in here. Okay. So that way I can get it here. Okay. So then I'm going to choose my board. Okay. And then now we're going to link up the rest of this stuff. Okay. So your title, you're going to get that from your Google Sheet. So you're going to look in here and you're going to look for a pin title or whatever name you gave it. Description, you're going to get that from ChatGPT. So you're going to go down here and you're going to hit choices, message, and then content right here. And it's got to look just like that. And then what you're going to go down here is you're going to get your link, your affiliate link. okay, that you're going to share. So if you did it correctly, again, you put it in the column, you'll have your links there. I say do a bunch of them so it can post every single day. So you don't have to worry about it. This is autopilot. Yes, the work is done in the beginning, but again, it'll make it easier. Okay, so then here's my affiliate link. I'm putting my affiliate link right here, and that's all I need right here. Okay, we're gonna hit save. Okay, then we're gonna go, let me zoom in here a little bit for you. We're gonna go here and then manually, and we're gonna test it to make sure it's running right. And again, we wanted to look like this. We wanted the post like this. Okay, just letting you know what the post look like. Okay, so let's grab that, hit save, and let's hit run again. Okay, it's all green. Okay, and then to make sure it's posted, what we're gonna do is refresh our Pinterest, and you should see a post right here. There it is right there. Okay, so click on it. There's the image I put in there, and then you want to check the content to make sure it's okay. Now, you don't have to schedule. You can schedule this and put this in draft if you want to, and all that stuff. But here, okay, it's done. Nice image, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back here, and then I'm going to delete this because I'm going to run it again. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so the next module you need is you need another Google Sheet, and you want it to update row. Okay, let's move that over. You can see it. Okay, let's find the Google Sheet. There we go. Looking, there we go. Where we go? Here we go. Okay, and then the sheet itself, which is this one. And what we're doing is we're updating these two rows right here. That's what we're doing right now. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to row number. You're going to go here down to the first Google Sheet, and you're going to put row number. Okay, that's the row. Every time it goes to a row, it's going to check the row. Okay. Okay, and then what you're going to go down here is you're going to go to status, and you're going to put whatever you want. I'm just going to copy what I have here and put that in there. I wanted to put post. Okay, and then I want to track my URLs, pins, IDs. So in case I want to repost or whatever, right here. So you go down here, it says ID. It doesn't say pin, it says pin ID. I need to update that to pin ID. But anyway, so I'm putting the pin ID, and that's what it's going to do. It's going to get me this ID number here, which if you go to Pinterest, you can see that it's right here. Okay. Okay. All right, hit save. Let's do this one more time. Right click, click on this, manual. Let's choose this. There we go. Let's run it again. This is very simple, easy build. I built something like this before, so if you guys want to watch that video, I'll put the link at the bottom. That one is actually using Pinterest to get traffic to your website. Basically, you're taking the website and you're posting the pin. I'll put that link at the bottom. It's a great video, especially if you are doing affiliate marketing and writing blog posts on your website and you want them to come to your website for traffic. Okay, so this is done. So let's check out this and make sure it's updated. Okay, it put posted. I chose the wrong. It put posted here. I meant to chose that one, but it did this one. I chose that one. And then let's go back here, refresh our pins. There it goes again. And you can check to see that it also, oops, it has the content. It's adding, the reason why it's flicking on the screen is because it's adding more other people's stuff in there. As you can see, a lot of people do affiliate marketing in here. Okay, so here it is. And then is your content and your title that you put in here, and everything, your title and your keywords that's in here, as you can see. Now, you click on this, it's going to take you, if they click on that, it's going to take them straight to the product, not your affiliate link. Okay, that's what you want. So again, you want the pins to show up here and post to your, you want them to post here, and then so people can see. Now, I would set this up to do maybe like 1 to 5 pins a day. So if you're a person who's using like AliExpress or using eBay or Amazon or something that has multiple different products, I would not go crazy because Pinterest is very, very stickler about too many posts being generated so fast. So I would say between 5, no more than 10 a day. And then what I would do is change up the products, okay? So if you know that you're going to be doing more, like maybe up to 10 a day, make sure that you have that set up in your Google Sheet, okay? And you could build out this automation for other things as well. Again, you don't have to um, use the, affiliate marketing, but you can, like, it's really good for affiliate marketing. Okay, that's what this is for. Okay, this is gets integrated. This is so you can get some passive income from your affiliate links. Okay, and I'm using Amazon as an example. Okay, and now if you want, there's plenty of videos on how to set up a free Amazon affiliate account if you want to start a business, and that's it's passive income. You basically promote products on Amazon. It's pretty good. So this is basically what we did. We built out automation. This is a pins automation with your affiliate link. Simple and easy. Again, didn't take that long for us to build this. So if you like this video, you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see certain kind of automations built using BoostSpace and Make, please comment at the bottom of the video so I can see if I can work on building that automation, because some of my automations do come from you guys. Okay, so if you want all of these automations on all my videos, join the community. It's very simple and easy. The link will be at the bottom. Join the community and you'll be able to get all of these automations, and all you have to do is download them, and it comes with my prompt, and it's very simple and easy. As you can see, my prompts are pretty good. Another thing, by the way, if you are joining the community, I will be doing live, starting next month, live automations, usually every Wednesday at 6 p.m. East Coast time. I will be doing it live. And the people who are part of the community can't see it. It will be recorded and you guys can watch it, okay? So, again, if you like this video, please comment and subscribe to the channel. This is Michael Mail with Entrepreneur Freedom. Thank you for watching my videos and thank you for joining me. And I will see you on the next one, and you have a great day. Bye.